everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update on FDX. We went through the symmetrical support that I had here on the daily, so I wanted to come over to a weekly and see if I could find something a little bit closer. And I was able to do that. I have a setup zone for you, 240.18 to 241.93. And then another one underneath there, 228.40 to 229.10. But now you have your setup zone, 240 to 241 or so. Now you want to go and you want to look for your trigger. And we have triggered on a 5-minute chart, which would be good for a day trade. But we have not yet triggered on a 15-minute chart. So this may be something good for you to look at on Monday. Keep your eyes open. You have your setup here. You need to wait for your 15-minute trigger here for a swing trade, and then you enter that trade. And if this low is in place from today, your target is going to be 322.86. Now, of course, we are going to have some resistance on the way up that actually correlates with that 786 there. So let's go ahead and look at what that's going to be. 291.73, 292.52. So knowing that you have that big cluster of resistance right there, you may want to structure your trade around this being your target. But if not, you can use the 322.86 and 344.74 as your target. So you have your setup. You're still looking for a 15-minute trigger for a swing trade. But when it happens, you enter that trade and then you manage that trade. And what we mean by manage is when you get into some resistance or some green extensions, we want you to trail up your stops because many moves do tend to terminate at extensions. All right, everybody, that's all I got for you for right now. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.